When you love someone deeply, losing them feels like losing a part of yourself. The memories, the laughs, the dreams you built together, they don't just disappear. They replay in your mind, keeping you stuck between what was and what will never be again. But here's the truth. Getting over someone you love isn't about forgetting them. It's about freeing yourself. The first thing you need to understand is that love creates attachment, a bond in your brain that works almost like an addiction. That's why you keep checking their social media, replaying old texts, or wondering what could have been. Your brain craves the comfort of their presence, even if they're gone. But healing starts when you stop feeding that craving. One of the hardest but most powerful steps is cutting off unnecessary contact. It feels cruel at first, but it's an act of self-respect. Every time you check in, you reopen the wound. Give yourself space to breathe, to detox from the constant reminders, and to rediscover who you are without them. Next, don't run from the pain. Sit with it. Journal, talk it out, cry if you need to. Heartbreak is proof that you cared, that you had the courage to love. Avoiding the pain only drags it out longer. Facing it is how you heal. Then shift your focus back to yourself. Start building routines, reconnect with friends, and chase goals that have nothing to do with them. When you pour energy into growth, the hole in your heart begins to shrink. What felt like emptiness slowly transforms into strength. And here's the most important thing. Remember that love isn't scarce. Just because it ended with one person doesn't mean it ends for you. Love is abundant. Your heart is capable of healing and finding connection again. But only if you stop holding on to the past. One day you'll wake up and realize the weight has lifted. Their name won't sting, their memory won't break you. And in that moment you'll see it clearly. Getting over someone you love isn't losing them. It's finding yourself again. So let go, not because you didn't love them, but because you love yourself enough to move forward.